I once again welcome you students to your economics class. Today we would be revising the second chapter of Indian economic development, that is Indian economy during 1950 to 1990. This was an era of planning. After gaining independence, it was essential for our economy to revive our economy from the devastated state and use the available resources in a judicious manner to bring about a systematic development of the economy. Economic planning basically refers to the process of utilizing the resources in a most productive way in accordance with the national priorities. The goals of planning were divided into segments: the long term objectives and the short term objectives. Long-term objectives basically refers to the goals of planning which are to be achieved in a span of 20 years, whereas short-term objectives refers to the goals of planning which are basically set for a period of 5 years. The long-term objectives basically focus on the 5 important goals. They are modernization, that is, adoption of new technology and change in social outlook. Self-reliance, that is, making the economy self-sufficient and reducing the dependency on imports. Economic growth, increase in aggregate output or national output. Equity, the asset, the wealth, the resources are equally distributed amongst the people as such that the gap between the haves and the have-nots are eliminated. Full employment. It refers to a situation in which all the people in working age group are engaged in some productive activities to earn their livelihood. Short-term objective refers to the current or the existing needs of the economy, basically focusing on the present requirement. The first 5-year plan, which lasted for 1951 to 56, the priority was given to agricultural production. The second 5-year plan during 1956 to 61, the focus shifted on agriculture as well as industry. Now we would take up planning with respect to the different sectors of the economy. Let us first discuss the planning with respect to the agricultural sector. In order to know that, we need to know the state of agricultural sector during the period when we got independence. Agriculture was basically characterized by the following features. Number 1, low productivity. Number 2, disguised unemployment. 3, dependence on rainfall. 4, subsistence farming. 5th, traditional inputs. 6, small agricultural holdings. 7th, backward techniques. 8th, landlord-tenant conflict, where the actual tiller was not the cultivator or the owner of the soil. Now let us focus upon the problems being faced by the agricultural sector so that we can know what were the plan objectives